everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to be answering the question, should I use Python as a data scientist or should I use R? So I've had a lot of people asking me, I want to become a data scientist, but I don't really know which programming language I should settle for. Should I settle for R or should I settle for Python? So in this video I'm going to be telling you which programming language is best for working as a data scientist. So if this is the first time you're seeing my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. I constantly share videos on data science, financial analysis, and data analytics. I'm also very active on LinkedIn. You can always follow me on LinkedIn. I constantly share materials on machine learning, data science, financial analysis, accounting, and data analysis. So firstly, one thing I want to understand is there is no perfect programming language for a data scientist. The perfect programming language for you is the programming language that is used by the company you wish to work for, by the programming language that is majorly used in your environment, and the programming language you are quite very comfortable with working with. Personally, I make use of Python, so that is what I actually make use of as a data scientist. So what I will advise you is this: I want you to actually do a visibility study. I want you to look at the companies you're interested in working at. Maybe you can go through their job postings, their previous job postings, or the positions of data scientists or data analysts, whichever field you're interested in settling for. So I would like you to go through the job description and see the software or the programming languages they are actually looking at for. So that should be the very first thing you should actually look at. Secondly, your location determines the programming language you will work with as a data scientist. So most people in the USA prefers using Python. Most people in the UK prefer using Python. But when you go to Germany or other countries, they prefer working with Arrow or more than they work with Python. So it all depends on the organization you're working for. It all depends on the location you are actually working in. So there's no perfect programming language to use as a data scientist. Arrow is a very wonderful programming language. Python is an amazing programming language that is generally used. But personally, I advise my students to go with Python because Python is a programming language that is actually very popular and generally used by most organizations. I hope this has answered your question about which programming language should you settle for as a data scientist, whether Arrow or Python. If you have questions, don't forget to leave your comments in below, and don't forget to also follow me on LinkedIn. I'm very active on LinkedIn. I'm always available and open to answer your questions on data science, financial analysis, accounting, and data analysis. I also share free resources on my LinkedIn page on data science, financial analysis, and data analysis. So if these are features you're interested in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and also follow me on LinkedIn. Thank you so much for watching, and do have a wonderful day ahead of you.